Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed recently, so she will share her experience now.
Hi everyone, my name is MOUNASHREE. I am from Kollegal. I am joining in the PySpider. It is one of the good platform to learn the skills and knowledge and all. And my trainer is Vijay sir and Alexa sir. And in this platform, it's helpful for me. Depends on my skills, and trainer is also important. And Vijay sir is very helpful to understand the concept easily. And here I will do the presentation, grooming classes, and I attend the placements and companies also. So it is one of the good platform to learn the skills and all.
Congratulations and all the best.
Yeah, thank you.